Hello YouTube, this is Toontown Pirate and I'm doing a video on Python programming. So let us start now. Alright, you see all this code? Just ignore it. I'm gonna do a simplified more version of it, but this basically imports all the things we need. This is basically a little note right here. So if you see a sharp sign, that means a little note, so it keeps you organized. And I like to use that sharp note a lot. Now let's get to some actual programming. That right there, that loads the model, and that is the location of the model right here, which we're gonna use the banana-peel model, which looks something like this. You can see right here. Make sure you put the correct location and the .bam, but I'll have the entire code in the description. This is a very advanced code, but it basically means that it's gonna be by itself. This right here is the scale code. Basically, it tells the model how big it is. So the first number is X, the other one is Y, and the other one is Z. I have terrible handwriting. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like in a graph, and yes, programming does use math. This is what a 2D X and Y graph looks like. Now this is one with the Z. As you can see, the X and Y and then the Z comes out like that, so it makes it 3D. Three different ways, 3 dimensions, 3D. Now if you wanted to double the size, you could just change it to 2, but I'm just gonna leave it as 1. 2 means double the size. Now this is the position code. This basically says the position of the object we're using. The first one is X, the other one's Y, and the other one's Z, just like the scale code. Alright, so right now I'm gonna do a little bit of a reminder of how everything goes here. And by the way, this last code is run. Basically what it does is run the whole file. So don't forget that code unless you don't want your file to run. I'm gonna change the font. There we go. Here we go. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick reminder of what I taught you. This code loads the file. Loads the file. The next one is by itself, and the other one is size, and the third one is position. And then the last one runs the file. I know it says none. It looks like none, but I wrote it as none. Run. And the sharp note is just a note, so you can organize your code, and that is the review. Alright, I put it into my favorite notepad too. You can look it up and get it. I changed the code a bit. This is gonna be the code that you'll be getting when you download it in the description. And to run the file, you can if you're using this program, you can just click run current file, but unfortunately my computer is acting stupid, so you're going to have to make a shortcut. This is the information you need to be put. You need to start in. You put the Panda and then the Python, then Python.exe, then space -e, and then the name of your file, and start in the where your file is. So whatever name you put it there, -e space the name of the file, then start and make sure it's the folder of the file. Now I usually like to put it in minimize window because this dumb ugly window opens up when you open it up. Alright, and what's the advantage of the Python programming? Well, you can just copy, paste. Now you can make two different files. I mean two different models into one file instead of opening two different files all in one place. So you can get very creative with that. See, now I have two banana peels, and get creative with it. Maybe make your own little playground. I don't know. So make sure you like, subscribe, and thank you for watching my tutorial.